गोंय ट्रॅफिक पुलिशेन बुधवारा रस्तो सुरक्षेचेर समर कॅम्पाचें भुरग्यां खातीर खासा आयोजन केल्लें. दर वर्सा गोंयांत सुमार 300 लोकांक रस्तो अपघातांत मरण येता. म्हणटकर ह्या कॅम्पाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान जागृताय जातली आनी गोंयांत अपघातांचो आंकडो देंवतलो म्हूण आशा डीजीपी मुक्तेश चंदर हांणी उक्तायला. मिरामार गॅस्पर्डायस टेनिस क्लबांत बुधवारा रस्तो सुरक्षतायेचे शिबिराचें दुसऱ्या आवृत्तीचें उक्तावण जालें. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर मिरामारच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
आज गोवा ट्रैफिक पुलिस ने रोड सेफ्टी से रिलेटेड समर कैंप का आयोजन किया है, जिसमें बच्चों को और उनके पेरेंट्स को रोड सेफ्टी के बारे में अवेयरनेस, उनके बारे में जानकारी दी जाएगी. और मुझे उम्मीद है कि ये बच्चे हमारा सड़क सुरक्षा का संदेश अपने घरों तक, अपने परिवार तक, अपने स्कूल, अपने फ्रेंड्स और रिलेटिव्स तक लेके जाएंगे. हर साल गोवा में 300 से ज़्यादा लोगों की सड़क दुर्घटनाओं में मौत होती है. अगर सावधानी से गाड़ी चलाई जाए, सावधानी जो सड़क सुरक्षा की सावधानियां हैं उनका प्रयोग किया जाए, तो इस संख्या में काफ़ी कमी आ सकती है. और गर्मी की छुट्टियों में बच्चे खाली होते हैं, बहुत सारी अलग तरह की स्किल्स सीखते हैं. हमने सोचा कि पिछले साल की तरह इस बार भी बच्चों को रोड सेफ्टी स्किल्स की जानकारी दी जाएगी. मुझे उम्मीद है कि हमारा ये प्रयास कामयाब होगा.
For organizing this road safety awareness program, the summer camp, for the second year in succession. I know it is not just a one-time thing, a flash in the pan activity, because the Goa Traffic Police have been coming around to all our schools, all our institutions through the year, creating this awareness about road safety, which actually is about personal safety. When we were kids in school, we had a subject called civics, and one of the very important thing that was ingrained in our head by our teachers was safety first. Safety first. I'm sure they're teaching you all that. And we were told, look after your safety, and you are also responsible for the safety of others.
Today we are having the second edition of Goa Road Safety Summer Camp, and which is being held at Club Gásparadís Miramar. The main motto of the road safety camp is awareness on roads, road safety and awareness. This is the initiative that Goa Traffic Police have taken to inculcate good habits in the children so that they become good users on roads. Road users, as a children, as a child, they learn a lot of things in the school, but how to use the roads definitely is, I don't think, is there in the curriculum of the school. So we, Goa Traffic Police, have decided we should inculcate good habits in the children so that they become good citizens on the roads.